How to delete ChatGPT account permanently. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to delete ChatGPT account permanently. So now, without further ado, let's get started. So here, first thing first, open the ChatGPT app on your phone. And now here, once you're inside the app, just tap on the two dash icon shown in the top left corner of the screen. And now here on the next page, just tap on the profile icon shown in the top right corner of the screen. And now here, once you see the interface like this, you can simply scroll down and there you'll see the option labeled as data controls. So just tap on it. And now here in this section, if you scroll down there, you will see the option labeled as delete OpenAI account. So just tap on it. Now here, once you do that, a pop-up menu will appear. In that menu, you can confirm action by tapping on delete OpenAI account again, and after that, your ChatGPT account will be permanently deleted. And that's it. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.